So I was able to get hold of the gentleman who owns this beautiful 1972 911T. So I'm going to ask him to explain. So tell me about the background about this car.
So this car was originally a car brought in from the U.S. It was Kroll. He was raced this car. It was brought to Canada with the idea of flipping it, but it never got sold, and it sat sat for quite a while. It was then acquired by a dealership, Pfaff, in Toronto, and they embarked on a restoration project on the car.
So let's ballpark figure if somebody were to do a restoration and buy a car like this, north of 100.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Okay. So let me. Can you open up the front and the door so we can take a look? And did the luggage come with the car?
It did. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to start from the front, then we'll go to the back. So I'm familiar with Pfaff, and it's impeccable work. So I'm very familiar. So tell me anything that I need to know. What is that little thing? Oh, it's for the windshield?
Yeah, windshield washer fluid.
Okay.
Yeah, so everything was there.
Okay, so let's go. Is this a 2.7 or a 2.4 engine?
2.7.
This is a 2.7. Okay, so let's go to the interior. Completely redone.
Completely redone. The unique thing about this car is a Sportomatic transmission.
Okay.
So there are only two pedals, but you do have to shift.
Okay.
Very interesting engineering. As soon as you touch the gear lever, it disengages.
Okay.
And then you
Now, is it the original thing for this car?
Originally a Sportomatic.
Now, what does the T stand for? 911T.
Touring,
Touring. Okay, so that's what I thought. One of my favorite car is a 911T, the yellow color one
right.
there. So that's what I want to acquire. So beautifully restored. Is it okay if I go in there? Okay, so this is the completely restored dashboard. The luggage. Wow. Beautiful roof liner. And the interesting part about this car has only two pedals, and it is what do you call this?
Sportomatic.
Sportomatic. Okay, Sportomatic transmission. Okay, let's take a look at the pristine condition. I know this is so many hours, many hundreds of hours to restore an engine. I have a 75 and I just did the restoration. The total engine restoration cost me over 40 grand. So I know what it's like. Have you been driving this a lot, or is it just
It's been recently
acquired? Okay. So this is 2.7 or a 2.4?
2.4.
2.4, right? Now I got confused earlier, so I did see the fuel tank entrance.
Yeah.
What is this one for?
This is the oil. So in 1972 they put the oil tank
Okay.
on this. So it's only existed in 1972.
Aha.
But people were accidentally putting gasoline in it, so they discontinued.
Discontinue.
So
Okay.
it only exists. This is how you can spot a 1972.
Wow. Okay, so this was people were putting gas by mistake, so they discontinue.
So that's why they put,
Yeah, I wasn't sure.
Oil.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't.
So I assume that must be the documentation of
That's
what
correct.
they
Everything
did.
everything is
Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing, and the one of the reasons that when I put this on this my video blog, I also tell people always document their restorations. Beautifully done, absolutely beautiful. No, this is must be the original radio.
No, actually,
No?
it's an original period correct.
Period
radio,
correct radio. Okay.
But it did not come with the radio.
Okay. So I know it's a Blur Punk is the one that produced either Bremer or Bremer. Well, but I could be wrong. It could be for the 1975. So I am looking for the original radio. I don't have one.
They found one that was
Period correct. Okay. Beautiful. Yeah, it is. It is a 2.4. 2.4. Oh,
yeah,
these are.
I did say 2.7.
Yeah. So, and they also put the P600. Oh, these are beautiful tires.
Yeah.
So originally this is a 14 rim. They came, is it 15? 185, so 15. Okay. So I am also looking at P6000 tires. So that's a period correct. Not the period correct. This is the kind of tire that they had it originally as well. Beautiful car, absolutely. Have they already come and checked? Just absolutely a beautiful car.